Hi guys, today we're rating ES alarm slits starting like and. Subscribe before the video start. It's a little confusing for me, 5/10. And I will change the rating 5.7/10. I think the nukes are dropping at me. Haha, habit 9/10. Canada, do you do this? What the this isn't it an alarm? It's a bit scary than the Sunam alarmy rated a 4/10. By looking at the red spot. Is it a bushfire 10/10? Or tornado thing 4449 ... think. It's so scary, 10,000 . I change rating 100 trillion 10. Please end. Please end. I want to go the exit door. That's ITN Israel. Please, 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 please. What the Palestine? What? WTF? Iron Dome. I'm done.
4,449 is not rating EAS alarms now.